as a student I will be logging in Microsoft Teams and try to attempt the question paper which has come in my user area. Okay, so I am Mohit. I click on Mohit. Now I am a student, remember. So I get into my dashboard. See, in 9th A, this is the place. I can see 9th A demo. This is my class. Okay, I click on my class, and then I can go to maths channel where I have to appear for a test, and this is the test which has come, which is posted by my teacher, and I can click here and start attempting the paper. See, this is the question paper. Now see, this was not the first question, it is shuffled now. Okay, so there is a speaker icon here. If a child has some reading problem, he can click here and get the questions read out on the speaker. Okay, so that becomes again easy for understanding if the child wants. Otherwise he can just read the question and attempt. What is the value of this? Suppose the child says it is 45. Done. The first question is done. Now I come to my second question, Hindi. So suppose how will the child do? Now child can open up Microsoft Word. Okay, this is one way. The other way is child can scan something which he has written on a loose sheet and take that image in desktop, and from the desktop he can upload the file as an answer. Or using the Hindi font, I don't know whether I have or not. If I have the Hindi font, I don't know. Oh, I don't have, I think. No, I don't have the Hindi font. Anyways, suppose the child writes, okay, anything, even the child can draw something. Okay, all these things are possible. I can draw something, okay, anything. This is the answer to that question, and then he saves remember this is a Word document. He saves it on the desktop as ANS2, answer 2. Okay, and then what he has to do is he will come here, upload file. You will look for ans2.docs. Yes, this one, and say open. The file is getting uploaded. It is uploaded. Okay, then the third one, again any one of the options. Suppose user says this is the option. Fourth, brief. Again there is something which he has to upload. Again from the file he goes to any of the documents. Suppose he says that the answer is in this file. Remember, he can scan an image also. So any file, suppose this PDF file, suppose child thinks this is the answer which he has stored in PDF, clicks this, open, and it has been uploaded. See, this is uploaded. Next question. Now it is a multi-line, he can write anything. See, it can be any number of lines. After writing the answer, he goes to the next question. What is the capital of India? He says Delhi, and submit. It has gone. Right? Now in the next part I'll show you the same question paper, how a child can attempt using a mobile phone. Yeah, now I'll tell you from the student's end, if the student has a mobile phone, how he attempts the question paper. So what he will do is first click on Teams, the app which he has on the screen. Now from here, remember he is a separate student now. His name is Rohit. So what he has to do is he will go to Teams, and here you will find a 9th A demo team. In the demo team you will go to maths. Okay, so this was actually hidden. Fine. In the maths you will find the question paper link which has been posted. I click on the question paper link. Now the question paper is getting loaded on the screen, right? Okay, now the first question, again see it has been shuffled. The question is now different, the first one for this particular student. He says Kolkata is the capital of India. Then in brief, now see this question needs a file to be uploaded, and the file can be a file which is already there in the mobile phone, or he can write it on a loose sheet, scan it, and then upload. So I'll tell you how he can do this. So the first, he has to scan the file. So anything, suppose he writes all these things. Now he will scan the file, then go to Teams. Yes, here, right. Now he will go to upload file, and then he could have done here itself. Okay, no, from files you will find the images. You can see the images where it has gone. See, this is the image. Then the file is getting uploaded. You can see, yes, the answer has been uploaded. Now I have the third question. Third question is a Hindi question. Again it has upload file. Straight away you can do the upload. Click here, camera, and then for Hindi he writes this. Okay, then he scans the answer. Next, the answer is getting uploaded. Done. Next question, any one option he has to choose. Fine. Then this is a mathematical question. So the answer is suppose 45, right? And now then there is another long answer. He can do anything, right? And he can go to the next line. Suppose it is of many lines, he can write everything here and then say submit. So this is the way the child can attempt the question paper from his mobile phone.